Consulting. Here at Dealer Synergy, we offer several custom consulting solutions for your dealership. We start by offering you a free strategy session over the phone. We realize that all dealerships are different. That is why we do not believe in a cookie-cutter solution. We take into account each dealership has its own demographics, franchise, geographic location, inventory, budget, resources, vision, etc. So we start by qualifying you and your dealership. We find out what your wants, needs, and expectations are. Then we custom build you a solution. That's why our dealers are so successful, because each Dealer Synergy client is custom built to perfection. If you would like us to help you create a powerful strategy for your dealership and show you how to literally dominate your competition and conquest their territory, call us right now and we'll get you started today.
My name is Sean Bradley.